Ugo Uche with Road to Resolutions, and in this post I am going to be talking about how to use behavioral experiments to get emotionally unstuck, especially from a place of anxiety. In a previous post, which was titled "How to Stop Worrying," I used a cognitive strategy of simply writing it's a what-if scenario on a piece of paper in 2 columns. So you identify the negative thoughts on one column, and then you come up with an opposite, positive, and healthier thoughts in the other column. So when it comes to the idea of a behavioral experiment, is that actions speak louder than words. So sometimes, even though you've been able to identify a positive thought to your negative thoughts, intellectually you believe the positive thought is possible, emotionally it's a different story. Let's say you have been assigned a public speaking engagement. You have to go there and you have to deliver a presentation at school or at work. And you are frightened about speaking in public. So my first suggestion is to, and the link to that post, How to Stop Worrying, if you're watching this on YouTube, it's in the comment section, and if you're on my website, it's in the text. You can visit the link. But it's a very simple process in which on a sheet of paper you write down 2 columns, and one for the negative thoughts and the other for the positive thoughts. So let's say you are afraid of speaking in public and you have this fear that you're going to get laughed at. So in the negative column you write, I am going to get laughed at during my presentation. Now in the positive column you write, I'm going to be taken seriously, I am going to deliver a stellar presentation regardless of whether anyone laughs at me or people take me seriously. So now you're going to perform a behavioral experiment to see if you're going to be consistent in delivering a good presentation regardless of the audience reaction. Well, before the day comes, the idea is for you to deliver a brief summary of your presentation to a group of friends, classmates, or staff, colleagues, whatever. You can deliver the whole presentation as it is, or you can deliver a brief summary. But once you perform this behavioral experiment, it shifts your paradigm of thinking, because you've already done it, you've already started doing it, and now you're more focused on things like questions people asked. You now have more insight as to what people are looking for. And you realize that in most of these presentations that people attend, they're not interested in they're really not interested in you per se. They're more interested in what they can get from the content. And your paradigm has been shifted, and now you find yourself more focused on other hierarchy of issues within that new thought process that you'll be able to deliver a stellar presentation. And that's it. This is Ugo Uche with Road to Resolutions, and if you have any questions, leave it in the comment section below. I will try to answer as many questions as possible. And please like this video if you like the video. Thank you for your time. Take care.